Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Adrian with an early release for Avo. Today we're releasing 2.44 and 3 beta 24, I think. Yeah. So we have quite a few cool things to show you, so let's get into it. First of all, for Avo 2, we had some tiny, tweaks here. We had an issue with the actions and the field hydration. So if you ran into something like that, where you would try to set the default for a field and that didn't work properly, now we kind of fixed it. Just a heads up, we changed a few things internally. So if you see any of your actions, acting out a little bit, just let us know, and we'll try to fix it as fast as possible. So yeah, but the whole hydration story should be a tiny bit better now. Next, this is a cool feature. It's a multi-action flow. So it was requested by one of you guys, and now we have a few more ideas around it, and we'll share them soon. So what this basically means is that you can start within one action. You can do some things. You can influence some fields, and when you hit run, you're actually being pointed to another action. So you'll be able to create these flows, like this maybe onboarding or picking up information in different steps using Avo actions, and that's super cool, we think, at least. Now if we move to Avo 3, this is a tiny refactor where we add the plugin name and information. It's something internal mostly. Updating the dependency, applying something from Avo 2, and then filter buttons on multiple tables. So this, I think, was a bug that the filters did not work. Oh yeah, it's an old bug where if you didn't have the search bar. Actually, let me see this one. If you didn't have the search bar, you wouldn't be able to see the filters. So if you didn't have search bar or the scopes or some element here, you wouldn't be able to see these dynamic filters, and now you can. So yeah, good job, Paul, for fixing that. We removed the Avo custom.js. This is another thing. We have a custom.js file to test out the custom asset pipeline, and somehow it was bundled into the main gem, and now it is not, so that's perfect. Pre-tag overflow and text field overflow. Yeah, so this, what is it? Oh yeah, it's a quirky styling bug where pre-tags were being thrown off the page because the overflow wasn't set properly, and now it is. It will just flow, and you'll be able to scroll it. Cool. And then the allow multi-action flow, the thing that I talked about, and cards on resources. This is, thank you so much, Paul, for taking this over the finish line. This is something that I started a year ago, but I didn't get the time to finish it. But now Paul just pushed it. It's cards on resources. So you know how you have cards on dashboards? Well, now you have them on resources too. So you can attach cards, and inside those cards you have access to all of those goodies, like everything from the resource, the record, the params, everything you need, and you'll be able to show the cards on top of tables or inside records. So you'll be able to click on one record, and then you'll have some stats and other things about that record. So yeah, this is just great. What else? Yeah, we just updated our Friendly RB website. So now you can get tickets for 2024. And if you want to check out how 2023 went, we have this amazing video with interviews from great folks at the conference. Yeah, it was just such a truly special event. I really feel that it's gonna sound quirky, but I really feel that all of the people there got to make some friends. It was just special. And if you want to be a part of that, definitely check us out. Check out the video, check out the photos, and if you're available for 2024, it's going to be late-ish September. Definitely check us out and get a ticket. And we are on the friendly subject, so definitely check out the friendly show. We had an episode posted last night. It's me and Yaro, my buddy. We talk about what we did and what we did in October and what our plans are in November. We do have some cool guests lined up for the next few weeks, so subscribe on every platform that you're listening podcasts on. So yeah, that's about it for this week. I'm going to be off next week, so this is why we're having this early release. I'm going on a sailing trip. It's part of my learn something new every year experience. So this year I'm learning how to sail. I know Yaro is learning how to sail. Julian knows how to do it. Jonathan and others. So we might be able to put up a Ruby boat crew in the future. Maybe Railsas next year in Athens. Who knows? Stick close. Yeah. I'm going to be off. Paul is going to be there. We are still brushing up on Avo 3. We're putting on the final touches, both in the Avo department and Avo packages, Avo gems, and on the infrastructure, because we're planning to change a few things. We want to make the licensing a little bit less strict. We played around with like the pricing. Everybody's telling us like it's too cheap for it's very cost effective. As I don't want to say too cheap, but it's a very low price for what it brings to the table, and we are very glad for that. Yeah, we just want to push it out there. We just want to release Avo 3 and just think about that and help you guys deliver value to your customers way faster than before. So cool. Thank you so much for being awesome, and I'll see you in 2 weeks, maybe even sooner. See ya. Bye.